One of the things we're very passionate about at Delta is our core purpose, why we exist. We're passionate about helping people. We've recently, in the process of launching what we call the Delta Academy, and the strapline for that is expertise you can learn from. Learning is what most adults will do in the 21st century for a living, and we want to join in on that journey. We want to embrace learning, how we can learn new techniques, we can learn different ways of doing things. We also want to extend this, like we're doing today, to our suppliers and customers, so that we can all learn together and go on this journey of making the world a better place by being better informed and more responsible.
I think it's a fantastic idea. It's great to see a business investing in its people, because that's what Wilmot Dixon are all about, investing in their people.
Anything that you can do to de-risk your business has add value. It adds value to the customers, and it adds value to us, and if you de-risk, then ultimately that will lead to better profitability and more satisfied customers.
We're better than we were 6 months ago, and we believe that in 6 months' time we'll be better again. We're progressive, growing, and we want you to come with us on that journey. We don't want to be passing pound coins around, we want to be passing ideas and information. It's a win-win.